Birds are fascinating creatures known for their feathers, beaks, and ability to fly. They belong to the class Aves and are found almost everywhere on Earth, from dense forests to urban areas. Birds play essential roles in ecosystems as pollinators, seed dispersers, and predators. They come in a diverse range of sizes, colors, and behaviors, making them a captivating subject for study and observation. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're checking out the top 3 largest birds on the planet. From towering giants to impressive soarers, these creatures are truly remarkable. Stay tuned to discover more about their incredible sizes and unique features. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. The ostrich, Struthiocamelus, is the largest living bird and is native to Africa. Here are some key details about it. 1. Size and appearance. Height. Adult ostriches can reach up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters tall. Weight. They weigh between 220 to 330 pounds, 100 to 150 kilograms. Feathers. Males have black feathers with white wingtips and tail feathers, while females are generally brown and gray. 2. Diet. Ostriches are omnivorous and primarily eat plants, seeds, and fruits, but they also consume insects and small animals. 3. Behavior. Speed. They are known for their impressive speed and can run up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour, over short distances. Social structure. They are social animals and live in groups called herds or flocks, which can range from 5 to 50 individuals. 4. Reproduction. Nesting. Females lay their eggs in a communal nest, which is a shallow pit in the ground. The eggs are incubated by both males and females, the male typically incubating at night. 5. Adaptations. Vision. Ostriches have excellent eyesight and can see up to 2.5 miles, 4 kilometers away. Legs. Their long, strong legs are adapted for running, and they have powerful kicks that can deter predators. 6. Lifespan. In the wild, ostriches typically live for 10 to 15 years, while in captivity, they can live up to 40 years. Ostriches are well adapted to their environments and have become a symbol of various cultural depictions due to their unique characteristics. The emperor penguin, Aptenodytes forsteri, is the largest of all penguin species and is native to Antarctica. Here are some key details about this remarkable bird. 1. Size and appearance. Emperor penguins can reach up to 48 inches, 1.2 meters, in height and weigh between 60 and 90 pounds, 27 to 40 kilograms. They have a distinctive black and white coloration with bright orange patches on their necks and beaks. 2. Habitat. They inhabit the icy shores of Antarctica and are well adapted to extreme cold. They breed during the harsh Antarctic winter when temperatures can drop below -50 degrees Fahrenheit, -4. Breeding and reproduction. Emperor penguins have a unique breeding cycle. They lay their eggs between May and June. Males incubate the eggs on their feet under a flap of skin called a brood pouch, while females return to the sea to feed. This incubation period lasts about 65 days, during which males fast and rely on fat reserves. 4. Diet. Their diet mainly consists of fish, squid, and krill. They are excellent divers and can reach depths of over 500 feet, 150 meters, while hunting. Social structure. Emperor penguins are highly social and often form large colonies, known as rookeries, that can consist of thousands of individuals. These colonies help them withstand the harsh Antarctic environment. 6. Adaptations. They have several adaptations for surviving in their cold environment, including a layer of fat, dense feathers, and the ability to huddle together to conserve heat. Emperor penguins are a symbol of the resilience and adaptation of wildlife in extreme environment. The Andean condor, Vultur greffus, is a large bird native to South America, known for its impressive wingspan and soaring flight. Here are some key details. Wingspan. It is one of the largest flying birds, with a wingspan ranging from 2.7 to 3.3 meters, 8.9 to 10.8 feet. Size. Adults weigh between 7 to 15 kilograms, 15 to 33 pounds, with males generally larger than females. Appearance. They have a black body with white wing feathers and a distinctive ruff of white feathers around their neck. They also have a bald head and neck, which are red in males and paler in females. Habitat. They are found in mountainous regions of the Andes, from Venezuela and Colombia to southern Chile and Argentina. They prefer high-altitude areas and open landscapes. Diet. Andean condors are scavengers, feeding primarily on the carcasses of dead animals. They play a crucial role in their ecosystem by helping to clean up carrion. Reproduction. They typically lay one egg every 2 years. The incubation period lasts about 54 to 58 days, and both parents participate in raising the chick. Conservation status. They are considered near threatened due to habitat loss, poisoning, and hunting. Conservation efforts are in place to protect their populations. Their soaring flight and majestic presence make them a symbol of the Andean region and a significant part of its natural heritage. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the fascinating world of birds. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more birdwatching adventures and nature content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with new content.